Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. In today's video, I am going to discuss a very important topic from the play Doctor Faustus, and that important topic is Doctor Faustus as a Christian tragedy. I have prepared very easy notes that I want to share with you. In my opinion, there is no single difficult word in the whole topic, and I hope you will enjoy it very much. So let's begin. Doctor Faustus as a Christian tragedy. The play Doctor Faustus is written by Christopher Marlowe. Doctor Faustus can be regarded as a Christian tragedy because there are many elements of Christianity in this play. Following are the elements of Christianity that we find in the play Doctor Faustus. On the basis of these elements, we regard this play as a Christian tragedy. These elements are: number first, the most important element of Christianity is the conflict between good and evil. Just like a Christian tragedy, we see the conflict of good and bad. The decision between good and evil arises again and again. Dr. Faustus, the protagonist, has a choice between remaining faithful to God or gaining power. It is decided that he will have the power for some years, but then he will have to give his soul and will go to hell. So we can say that the play is about the conflict of good and evil and heaven and hell. Number second point is, we can relate Dr. Faustus to the story of Adam and Eve, which is another Christian element. Adam and Eve were told not to eat fruit from the specific tree, but they ate the fruit, and as a result, their pleasures were taken away from them. In the same way, Dr. Faustus has wealth and popularity, but he wants to gain more power and more wealth. As a result, he is given eternal torture. Number third point is, the third aspect that relates to Christianity is the setting of the play. The setting of the play is the heaven, the hell, and the earth. In Christianity, the heaven, the hell, and the earth are very important places. One has to act on the earth, and her living will determine that where will she go. One has to repent one's sins on earth. If he does not repent, he will go to hell. In the play, Dr. Faustus, who is the protagonist of the play, does not repent his sins. His actions and thoughts lead him to his damnation. Number 4, another aspect of the play through which we can call it a Christian play or a Christian tragedy is the 7 deadly sins. Like other religions of the world, in Christianity, pride, wrath, envy, lust, covetousness, gluttony, and sloth are the sins due to which there will be punishment after death. In the play Dr. Faustus, we can note all these sins in the character of Dr. Faustus, and we see that he is punished for it. Number 5, another important aspect that we find in the play is the good and bad angels. The good angel tries to persuade the person to do good things, while the bad angel tries to persuade the person to do bad things. Dr. Faustus has these 2 angels who persuade him accordingly. So this is also a Christian belief that every person has 2 angels who persuade a person to do good or bad. So to conclude, we can say that the play Dr. Faustus has many Christian elements. As this play addresses the sorrowful downfall of the protagonist Dr. Faustus in a serious manner, so it is a tragedy. From the above discussion, we come to know that Doctor Faustus is a Christian play and a great tragedy. So it was all about the topic Dr. Faustus is a Christian tragedy. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.